medyo makapalimuka ng mga involved doon sa OVP. Sino ba yung mga yon? OVP at Department of Education to even ask an audit query from the Commission on Audit. Kasi hindi ba poder ho nila yun? Trabaho nila yun eh. To actually issue audit observation memoranda or audit query memoranda. Ibig sabihin, ang Commission on Audit po yung mapagpasya kung alin po yung tipo ng mga memoranda yung i-issue ng Commission on Audit sa iba't iba pong mga opisina. It is not subject to a request. It is not subject to a favor by any other agency. Ibig sabihin, kung ano man huy lumapag na audit observation or audit document, kailangan pong tanggapin ng opisina yon. So, ibig sabihin, wala po sa lugar para magkaroon ng pagpupulong at makiusap at magsabi na imbis na AOM ang i-issue, audit query na lang po ang i-issue. Hindi ho ba? Hindi ho ba yan pong mga ganyan tipo yung kinaiinisan ng atin pong mga kababayan? Yung pong huli pero hindi kulong. Hindi ho ba? Yan po yung exact situation po rito. They knew that an audit observation was forthcoming. Pero let's have a meeting, baka pwede naman audit query na lang. Kasi yung audit query po, from the name itself, ibig sabihin, it is preparatory to an audit observation memoranda. Ibig sabihin, wala pa ho tayong actual observations ng maling paggamit, irregular po na paggamit. So, the meeting itself is actually irregular. Katulad na sinabi ko kanina, it is improper makapal yung mukha nung pong mga tao na nag-request po nito. It is Zulaika Lopez, and with respect to the Defense Counsel, Attorney Poa, representing the Department of Education, it was improper. It should not have happened.